go get them again.
Welcome back to the Robe Zoe channel. I'm your host, Mark, and welcome to your subscriber's choice, where you choose what scent this nose sniffs out next. So this is, of course, from my Sampling Samples series. It's the designer edition. It's been a while since we've done one of these. The last time, I believe, a light blue one, light blue sun. So we have 4 returnees and then 1 newbie coming into the fray. If you're new to this, basically it's very straightforward. I choose 5 scents for you to choose from. Your vote is down below in the comment section. You have 1 vote per YouTube handle. So if you have multiple YouTube channels, good for you. You get multiple votes. That's pretty much it. I launch this on Tuesdays, on Thursdays, usually within 48 hours. I shut down the votes. I tally them up, and then the next Saturday, you will see that Sampling Samples video. Pretty straightforward. Let's take a look at the nominees. You can also go down in the description. You'll find the names of the nominees, and you can copy paste that if you make it easy for yourself. Now, of course, if your comment makes no sense to me, I'm not going to chase you for your vote. Just an FYI. So let's start it off with light blue. There is, of course, a returnee of Dolce & Gabbana light blue. This one's Summer Vibes. So this was a last year's edition now, so 2023 Summer Vibes. We should be getting a new light blue for 2024. I haven't smelt that one. Next is from YSL, and this is from their Y line. Again, the Y line is not my favorite line, but again, I like to have an open mind and sample, and this is Y EDP Intense. I believe this was a 2023 release as well from the brand of Yves Saint Laurent. This one right here is from Giorgio Armani. Again, a returnee. This is Armani code Colonia. This is a discontinued, I'm thinking because the bottle is blue, a freshie from the code line. It is a fragrance that even though I collect the code line, I just haven't purchased yet. I should probably get on that before pricing is crazy. I have noticed that availability is fairly scarce now, so it's going to be a little harder to find for me online. And next is another light blue from Dolce & Gabbana, and this one is the Eau Intense version, so the intense version. I only own the original light blue put on, believe me or not. It was a staple back then. I used to wear it quite a bit. I used to get lots of compliments from that one. It wasn't my favorite fragrance, at all. But it was getting a lot of attention back then. It's collecting more dust than anything at this point, but I am trying to delve more into the light blue lineup. They have tons to discover. So of course that is the most popular one from all the flankers personally. Still selling well to this day. And now the new one to the list, it is from Coach. I haven't smelt a Coach fragrance. I only have 1 bottle from Coach, and I don't remember where it is. A discontinued Coach, I think it was their very first fragrance, and it was a long time ago. I have that one. I don't think I even reviewed that fragrance, but this one's called Coach Green. So these are fairly popular within the fragrance community. They're fairly cheap. They're at discounters, they're at bargain bins, and I think that was the newest release, Coach Green. So there's your nominees. You know what to do. Comment below. 48 hours, I'm going to close shop, but again, thank you so much for all the support. Happy to be back. Let's get this show on the road and see which one advances and gets reviewed. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.